In the fall semester of 2018, students returning to K-State may see a slight change in scenery in some of the halls on campus. Channel 8 News reporter Chase Swenson has more.
Over this next summer, K-State will be performing various renovations to general education halls across campus. While there was a survey sent out about the renovations, some students, like Chris Turnus, are skeptical on how much input the survey will have on important renovation decisions.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's kind of one of those things where they're going to get the student input, but they're also just kind of going to do their own thing anyway. So
Jack Ayers stressed how important it was to get student input and to use that input for the decision-making process.
I think it'll play a huge role because, a couple reasons. One, I mean, students are the ones that are affected by the, the classroom, the condition of the classroom. The other thing is students are the one paying tuition, which is, I think, a good reason why they should have a say. But then most importantly, I think students are paying the fee to provide the money for this.
As you can see here in Eisenhower, they are using much more primitive methods of temperature control, from the window units to the radiator heaters. However, in new halls, such as the business building, they're using much more state-of-the-art technology to regulate the temperatures in their classrooms. It is this comfortable learning environment they're hoping to bring to the older classrooms with these renovations.
One of the big problems that has been brought to mind due to feedback from the student body are heating and air issues that are occurring in some of the campus's older buildings. Reed Adams, a student at K-State, noticed these issues.
I have a class, I just had it today actually, speech in Willard, and it's a lot of times it's a little too hot, but it's hard to please everybody.
The renovations are scheduled to be done during the upcoming summer. Look forward to renovations next year at K-State. In Manhattan, Kansas, Chase Swenson, Channel 8 News.
The funds for these renovations come from each student, costing them roughly $4 per credit hour. The total budget for the renovations is around $1.9 million.